Alright, I don't know how well you can see this, but my cousin's car is getting ready to leave. I think. Where the hell is it? Here he comes. Here he comes. You can't see him, but just listen. I think I saw him. Yeah, he hit it. Hey, Joe! You hear it now? That's him! A 540 big block. Alright. Well, all the good stuff is left now, so I'm gonna go back down the hill and enjoy the rest of this car show. And hopefully this looks good on you. Oh! Probe! Oh my god, I saw Probe! Look! Woo! You can still hear him! Okay. Alright. See y'all later.